Isn't it about time that we brought boat cleaning into the 21st century with the MotorScrubber? Everything that you need to quickly and easily clean your boat is in this MotorScrubber boat cleaning kit. You have the MotorScrubber, the backpack, and an assortment of brushes and pads for every cleaning task. The lightweight, comfortable backpack is easy to put on, to secure, to adjust, and on the back, you have a rechargeable battery, a powerful pump, and a 1-litre bottle for your solution. The MotorScrubber consists of a lightweight, robust, powerful scrubbing machine, a telescopic handle, 2 quick connectors for solution spray and brush power, control switches, blue for solution spray and red for brush power. Then select your suitable brush head and simply twist and lock it into place. Its adjustable, sealed head and high-torque, powerful motor makes light work of cleaning your boat. MotorScrubber is also waterproof and perfect for cleaning above and below the waterline. Easy and simple to handle, MotorScrubber does all the hard work for you, allowing you to stand upright, making it easy on your back. The brush head simply moves over the contours and surfaces, cleaning with minimal effort. You also have total control of the solution spray, only spraying as and when you need it, with minimal waste. MotorScrubber easily cleans those more detailed areas and edges. No more bending and back breaking when scrubbing your deck. MotorScrubber effortlessly deep cleans it for you, making your deck look like new. When you're done, neatly pack away, ready for next time. MotorScrubber, an easier, safer, and more efficient way to clean your boat.